I'm Keith Becker from DeDe's Rentals. Let's talk about what you should be looking for when you're hiring a property manager. Late charges. Be careful about late charges because you might want to put in something like 12-15% late charge. You need to be careful about usury laws. And the issue of late fees and what is a fair calculation of late fees, it's an unknown quantity, but we use 6%. You want to be careful about the amount that you add as late fees. I don't like the idea of daily late charges because the fact is that tenants sometimes interpret that to be sort of a cost of money. Oh, I know I'm late, but here's the additional $20. I know I'm 2 days late. You can't be upset because here's $20. My attitude is the rent is late when it's late. There is a late charge if it comes in after the due date. Be careful about if you do a percentage late fee because if you use 15% late fee, you want to be careful about violating usury laws. The amount of a fair late fee has not been completely identified. We use 6%, and again, from my attorney's standpoint, I think that 6% can be rationally substantiated as a fair price, as a fair amount. Is your property built before 1980? Is it built before 1978? Even if you're using, as I said, use a pre-formatted contract, even if you're using a pre-formatted contract, you need to make sure that you have an asbestos disclosure for any property built before 1980, what you know about the existence of asbestos, likewise a lead paint disclosure. And there is a standardized form and a standardized process. Known lead paint hazards and reports. You have to disclose what you know. Furthermore, there is a brochure provided by the EPA that if your property is built before 1978, you have to provide. If you're a landlord and you don't have these things, you need to work with somebody who does. Coincidentally, we do.